Hi guys, welcome to my ISO builder here. I have downloaded Maybox. So Maybox Linux 23.12 and so on. I've already installed it once. I'm gonna go and install it once again if it likes me installing it once again. Okay, no. File, and the mouse is there, close, power off. Let's start from scratch again. Delete all files. Now we're really sure we have everything the way we want. Finish. And this is the one that we like to boot up into. So this is what you can do. Edit boot options, open source. This really looks like the setup of Manjaro, and you've guessed it, it's based on Manjaro, so mabox.org. Let's look it up on my other screen because I need to put it anyway on the YouTube tutorial, well, video that we're gonna make. Maybox can be found at Maybox Linux. That's what I Google, or go in my case, and it's mabox-linux.org. Yep, that's the most important one, if not the only one. And there we go, right? So to my right screen, the one you're not looking at is mabox-linux.org, and the about project's goals are: provide lightweight, fast, ready-to-use Linux desktop, solid and stable, quick access, latest software versions, open boxed into an JG menu, right? Stuff that you see up here. So like any other, well, it's not a tiling window manager, I know, but it's something in the middle between a desktop and a tiling window manager, but you need to know your keyboard shortcuts or your key bindings. One you need to remember is Super T. So you're able to open up a terminal, that's a good one, and Super F was it? Super F for your files. It's not Thunar, but I can do something about that, of course. Anything you, well, want to add or want to remove, it's up to you as a user. And right, have a look at all the possibilities here. I'm here for two things. I've made Sardi and Surfn icons for the Maybox distribution. And two, I'll check the ArcoLinux tweak tool. Since it's based on Manjaro, it's basically Arch, but it's not Arch, you know, it's a different repo. What I want to see is if I can install, I don't know, awesome on this one, for example. All right. But first off, the Sardi and the Surfn icons, but first we need to install it. It's a little icon up here that says install Maybox Linux. You know, the choice is Calamaris, the Swiss army knife, I always say, right? A way to install so many listed Linux distributions, and there are no net modules, so no advanced or easy. This is the most safe choice, like it is in ArcoLinux, right? Easy installation is always offline, is always best, has no repercussions. It's gonna be just a folder here to another place there, and a file from here to another place there. So it's just bits and bytes that move from one place to another place. That's always safest as a choice. Off we go. Install, my friends. And while it's installing, we can click here maybe, lightweight. Take the time to check it out. So this was exactly what I've been reading on the about page here online. It's rolling. You start updating, and I have this ISO, this SSD of 5 years ago, and you just update. There's the Maybox Control Center, which combines all kinds of elements of Maybox that you can use and choose: conkies, colors, themes, also themes, how to start stuff, panels, and all that. There are side panels to the left and to the right. They offer great possibilities to fine-tune both appearance and functionality. Colorize, you can quickly customize their appearance the way you want. So basically, it's a very complex setup, which means it can be fun for hours, if not weeks, to grasp every single detail of your system, right? It contains a lot of menus that you say, what's all this? What should I do with that? What happens if I click this, right? If you really want to click anything you see here, you're in for a treat, right? It's gonna take a while before you have seen everything. All right, let's use a wallpaper. So these are wallpapers, right? Mouse click, I suppose, set as wallpaper, scaled. I can do all kind of things. Yeah, sure, scaled, I suppose. What is this? All right. How about centered? Choices. Let's quickly go over it again. So there's a lot to see. Conky on steroids, right? Conky on steroids. Have fun with conkies. See what the code is, learn about conkies. It's a fun way to start. Well, the analytics that you need in your brain if you are going to use Linux, you need to analyze things. Why is this happening? How should I do that? It's always like that. And a conkies is a fun way to learn structure and coding. And this is one, and that is one, that's one. And there we go. So we're greeted with a welcome to the Maybox, and you just investigate, right? Investigate. I haven't clicked this one in the previous look, so you can select here some more things. If I want Vivaldi, you can say install. Maybe I should click this thing and tell him my name, well, my password. And we got this optional things. Sure, go grab that as well. And as you see, of course, this is Pamek. Of course, we're on Manjaro. Your system has been updated. Now right mouse click, this is open box, so anywhere in the screen here, open box. And what did I install? Internet, right? Vivaldi. Continue, continue. Welcome to Vivaldi. I got this way of setting stuff. I like it dark. Top is good. All the browsers are top, otherwise you tend to go to the wrong place. Kill. Do you really want to kill? Don't show this again. Okay. Voila. The wallpaper is, it seems, gone. So then you have to look at how and why can I set my wallpaper. Might be in here somewhere. So the wallpaper, random wallpaper, let's do that one. That's better, right? Anything better than the black thing. And the conkies are here, but sometimes you say, I don't like conkies, right? Or it's not clean enough for me, or something like that. Kill all. Yep. And then conky. Boom. And they're all dead. And what I'm here for, let's remind that I'm here for right mouse click, the internet. The other one. Okay. Sardi icons and Surfn icons. So Sardi icons. Well, basically, best maybe thing, I normally don't do that, but why not go to my website? So the Sardi and Surfn icons were created by yours truly. ericdubois.be have just made a new theme, a new look. These are the new Numix folders, and I've created a new Surfn icon theme, basically Surfn Numix with an S. So where do you get all this stuff? From SourceForge, this one, and the other one from this one. So download the zip. and download, accept, and files, and click so that everything is working. All right. While that's downloading, this is the button. Remember, Super F, and you have Control H, and these are the Surfn icons. I saw them in Maybox and I said, I want to have them. So now they're also in Surfn icons. We have the downloads. Extract here, extract here. So that's one folder. We can do, we can do also this, file manager, and then Control H. Is there dot icons there? There is no dot icons. Well, then you make one, right? Dot icons. If you have that, you can put everything in there. All the Surfn icons, move. And then the Sardi extract here. And this is the new guy, Surfn new mix here. So these guys I don't need, and these are all the Sardi guys. Voila. So that's one thing, a video for theming. Let's see if I can figure it out, how to change the icons. So we have here, we're not on XFCE, right? One of the things I'd like to have is Thunar. So sudo pacman -s Thunar. Well, the caps lock is on. And since I type sudo, he is going to go all red on me. So you know, hey, you know what you're doing? You're going to install something with sudo rights. So right mouse click, I believe in system, tuner file manager. So that's a different one. It's all about choices. PCman FM tuner. Okay. Let's put you over here, guys. And let's see. We have here all kinds of things. These are quick navigation stuff. These are tools. Command palette is Super F1. Okay. Oh, that's that. Sure. And we can do all these key bindings. Super R is Pi Radio. Because of the installation of Maybox, Pi Radio is now on ArcoLinux as well. Just a sudo pacman -SOA. And wallpapers, that's fine. Screen locker, okay. System information, sure. Install popular apps. I can install it from here as well. Good selection. And the games, Westnot, Steam Manjaro, Lutris, backup and virtualization. 10.2 stuff. So 10.2, if you don't know, that's the menu at the top. Might be two of them or just one of them. Have a look. I'm here to find out where can I change my icons, right? So in the meantime, we'll take a look around and say, okay, fine, cool, menus and so on. Open box, Kava is already installed. Let's do another random wallpaper, always fun. And there's select wallpaper as well. This wallpaper, by the way, is in your wallpapers, right? It's in your home directory. So I suppose if you add your own wallpapers to the mix or delete all these and put your own in there, it will do exactly the same thing with your wallpapers. I think that's an exit here, but you just click here and it's gone. That's our menu, but the menu is actually right mouse click, so why go here if you, well, why go here if you can have it here as well? But it's good for beginners. Say, oh, look, a menu, right? Beginning thing is a menu. Down here is a system panel. People are recognize the order of things. And here's number 2, another desktop. Okay, still, right? Where is it? So let's go to the Maybox control center. We have Pamic, it's Manjaro after all, so yeah, updater, kernel, a render. Had to use it later, XLR render. I've used it because the screen was too small last time I booted up. So now it's good. 10.2. So that's the thing up here. Menu and side panel, so the left, the main, the right panel, there's panels down here. Top. Coloring, how to start, look and feel. Let's go for this guy. Customize look and feel. Icon theme. Here is Sardi arc. We apply it and this one changes, right? And the other one does not. Funar is not responding because we're not an XFCE, right? We're not on XFCE. Just to be clear, we're not on XFCE. But if I run it again, he gets it, right? So I have created several icons for the system. I wonder where these guys are coming from. And that's of course for the developers of Maybox itself. Where do they get it? Yes, 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 fine, cool. They are the Sardi icons down here, fine. So these guys were changed and created to please the people that use Maybox. But Sardi is always rather circular, but there is also Surfn. Let's go to the new guy, Surfn Numix. So these icons, folder icons from Numix. If we apply this, it's going to look like that. And let's kill everything again. So this is Funar that needs to be reloaded. And then we can stop here as well and open Maybox config again, control center, and see if icons are applied. And as you see, they are great. Now in here, I'm not sure if these the icons that we see here, if they are the icons of Surfn. We probably need to reload it somewhere to tell to the system. Let's have a look. Config. What's the name again? To create these menus. Might be this one, I don't know. Nope. I don't see it immediately, so let's not waste time. But this one needs to be changed. But take a look at all this, right? This is really a Christmas gift. Soon we'll have some days off. So why not have a look at Maybox and see all the possibilities it provides and decide, okay, let's colorize things. Let's change all these colors. Colorizer. Quickly colorize or reset. Okay. All above. Let's see what happens. And there are so many possibilities. Where did I do that? Last time I was here. I just switched themes. I think it was this one, colorizer or colorizer menu, where you can actually just, yeah, that's the one where you can quickly randomize. Open box theme is now randomized, and another, and another, and another, and another, and another, right? It's fun to just be clicking. And all of the above, my conkies are already dead, but they would be changing as well. And thank God for reset to the defaults, that we can always set it back, right? Conkies are here, some unit side panels, open box themes, colorizer. So a lot of work has gone into this. You know, this has been intensive, I mean time consuming to make all this work. So the Maybox colorizer is one thing, and there is also the colorizer menu. So this one here. Java is already installed. System wallpapers, user wallpapers. There are also system wallpapers. I mean, I can go on and go on. The thing was, check it out. Check it out. The new icons are there for Sardi and Surfn. And if you are loving this setup, this distribution, why not, after a while, support the guys, right? Financially. So that's all the things they have to buy, and that's website for one, repositories, all the plugins you need for security and firewall for websites, right? It costs money. So if you are using Maybox for a while already, why not start donating? All right, cheers.